Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, August 4th, 2010. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 9 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed from our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right around 1950. We actually had a small gap up, and as soon as we opened, we went down and pushed within a tick of the half gap. You can see we just kind of traded sideways here for a little bit. Actually went ahead and filled our half gap based on our 4 o'clock close, and that was also the 4:15 gap. And when they filled that, there was some profit taking going on here. Well, we had a signal to get short. Now, in our room, we had some folks that actually, some that did take this trade and others that stayed away from it because of the fact that it was coming off of this gap closure and we expected a push up. But nonetheless, there was a signal, and that signal did get fully stopped out. T0 minus 14 ticks on that particular move. And then on the subsequent move, there was a signal long. Now, if you were early into that trade, there was a chance that you got to reduce risk on the touch here. If you were, very quick on getting your order in, and you might have gotten a reduced risk stop out. The majority of the folks did not get filled here. It came down, got an opportunity to get long, and it produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks. But this trade, depending on your speed, if you were really quick on the trigger, we did have a member in our room actually that did get a reduced risk stop out on that trade. But for the most part, that trade did go to T2 for the majority. And again, it was just touch, so you would have been filled on the touch instead of on the pass-through. So the market continued higher up until our 10 o'clock news. You can see on the news item there was a quick move up, right on key. 10 o'clock reversal time kicked in. The market came down through our moving average. There was actually an extension short here that was filled, and that extension ultimately went to targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 8 ticks as we moved back through our opening price, back through our half gap, through our pivot, and all the way down to our previous day's 4 o'clock close, and then even punched down through that a little bit. Now there was, if you're looking at a longer term chart, there was a longer term support area here, and the market did react off of that going into the lunchtime dead zone. Now this trade, this is just one of those that is just so disappointing. Perfect setup. If you took the signal entry and didn't try to maximize your entry at all, you got your entry. You got very easily T1 out of it, right down to the tick, got stopped out, and the market just consolidated there for taking off. Now, again, some folks in the room were able to wait on their entry and maximize their entry a little bit, which gave them a tick lower R2, and they did not get stopped out after their reduced risk trade, and they went on to profit off that. But if you took it as planned, chances were you were stopped out right to the tick. T1 minus 2 will count that, and the market rallied, moving higher into the lunchtime dead zone. Coming out of lunch, there was a signal during the very tail end of the dead zone. No opportunity for us to play, but coming out of that, there was an opportunity to get long, and that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 10 ticks. Now I want to make a special comment here. We are in the process, if you've been to our website at all, you see we have a new look going on, and we're working hard getting all the pages and all the links and all the things up to date. Right now for the next day or so, there might be some quirkiness to it. There might be some links that aren't quite working. You can rest assured we are working diligently through the night and all day, every day, until we get it right for you. So just please be patient with us over these next couple of days. Ultimately, we'll have a much better service available for you, a searchable website, and for our members, a member section, and a ticketing system, etc. So anyway, I want to just follow up and say we had 5 trades for 9 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com. or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.